Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up NetBoost Pro WiFi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, take the NetBoost Pro WiFi Extender out of the box. Plug it into a working power socket near your Wi-Fi router for the first time setup. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED light turns solid on. Look at your Wi-Fi router carefully. The WPS button is usually on the back or side of the router. It may be labeled WPS or have a small circular arrow/lock icon. Some routers need you to hold the button for 2 to 5 seconds, while others work with a single press. Activate WPS on your router. Press the WPS button on your router. The WPS indicator light, sometimes called WLAN or link light, will start blinking. This blinking means your router is now searching for devices, like you. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, go to your extender. Press the WPS button on the NetBoost Pro WiFi Extender, usually on the front or side. The WPS/signal LED on the extender will start blinking as well. The extender and router will handshake and connect automatically. After about 30 to 60 seconds, the signal LED on the extender will turn solid, green/blue. A solid light means the connection is successful. If the light turns red or keeps blinking, repeat steps 3 to 4 again. Reposition the extender. Once paired successfully, unplug the extender from the socket near your router. Now move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.